Officers responded to the scene after a quiet evening turned tragic when a pedestrian was struck by a vehicle and left lying in the roadway.
47, fire's arrival.
He doesn't have a pulse.
Does that have a pulse?
No.
Fire's here. Move the car so get in. Who hit him? You know who hit him?
I have no idea.
Oh, you're not here? Okay.
But we left the bike there. There's a bumper up off. If he doesn't hit it, but there's a bumper in front of the engine.
With that car?
No, that's my car up there.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It all started when first responders arrived at a chaotic scene and found a cyclist lying on the road, but the driver was nowhere to be seen. The only thing left behind was a detached bumper, a silent clue to a devastating hit and run.
It's gonna be you. You good, brother? You all right? You're sorry. You
good?
How many cycles you got through? Where you got through about 4. Okay. He's breathing. All right. Arrival. I'm the one that called.
Oh, you guys. 447. Go ahead. Tell me what happened.
Oh, I'm the one that called. Yeah, him and I were driving. We saw him on the floor.
Okay.
His bike is there. There's a bumper in front of this truck, in front of your fire truck.
The bumper? Okay.
The bumper of whoever hit him. The bumper's over here, so it was like a hit and run.
Okay.
We both saw it. We pulled over and we ran back here. I called and you guys are here.
Okay. So the bumper.
410 is fireworks.
Be advised, it'll be a 318 subject, but
318
Vice supervisor, it'll most likely be a trauma alert.
472
Vice supervisor, it'll be a trauma alert.
She's going to be a trauma alert. 213 red.
You guys know you can do it, the LZ?
213 QSL.
We're not going to fly him out. You're not going to fly him out? It'll be the car?
Show me 15 around from the station.
Yeah.
Okay. Just I'll show you around.
Okay.
45? It's 45?
No, I mean...
They're not going to trauma alert him?
Bring him on in.
Traffic 4, I'm going to need a few more units. I'm going to need a unit to block all.
As the victim was rushed to the hospital, investigators began the difficult task of piecing together the evidence scattered across the roadway, trying to understand what had happened in those critical moments.
Westbound traffic from northeast day to 28 for now.
Anybody know who hit him?
No.
Did anybody see who hit him?
Again, we got a bumper. Hold on.
Blocking traffic. 429.
I'm going to take a picture of it. And I'll move it.
Just on traffic 4. Traffic 4, just good. Do you need him on the 3?
Tell them to block off 28. Block off 28?
So, 429.
We saw somebody block off 28 and start diverting them down.
Yeah, but all these other cars, they can't pass the... Here, yeah.
You want me to move the bumper?
No, leave everything alone. Where's he going?
He's going to Jackson South.
Jackson South? 2 should do for now. Advise the supervisor, the street's gonna be locked for a while. Did you see what happened?
No, we rolled up on him. Me and the other guy.
I'm gonna need you guys' information before you guys leave.
Just to know they moved the bike, but the outline is still here.
Yep, I see it. Okay. You got your ID with you?
Yes, sir, right here.
You called?
The other gentleman called. But we rolled mine.
You guys, by the time you guys rolled up, you guys saw him on the
He
ground?
was already on the ground.
Okay. And you just rolled up on it?
We didn't see any cars ahead of him. We didn't see any debris or anything. Just this road was pretty much clear. And my wife was like, "Oh my God, there's somebody there." So we stopped.
All right, let me go get with the other guy.
Sure.
Good.
Good.
If you want to go
Everybody out.
jump over the curb. Somebody blocks the street.
As soon as they clear, we'll have everybody funnel out through here, and then we'll work the scene. Does he have an ID with him? You know?
I gave them all his possessions. Like he still had a backpack on him and another bag wrapped around the handlebars. I gave it to them to see if they can find an ID.
Okay. You know what you could try to do? That opening where you get the turnpike to come down southbound, try to get everybody to make a U-turn down that way. Where? You come down the turnpike, that off-ramp, come to make a left or right, stop all traffic going eastbound and see if you can flush them out of there.
Okay, I mean,
The investigation soon took a sudden turn when officers located a man nearby who claimed he had been with the driver involved in the crash.
traffic units, I have a male here at Kingsman and Northeast 8 advising that he's with the driver of the car that fled, the 318.
¿Es la droga blanca?
I have a male here who's advising he's with the driver that fled the 318.
Jail cell, where's he at? 447.
I'm at Kingsman and Northeast 8. ¿Me puedes alcanzar la llave del carro?
You want me to take off the thing?
Yeah, take off the feet.
Jail cell, thank you.
Okay. ¿Puedes hacerme un favor de salir del carro? Es él, ¿no? Sí, sí. Ok, perfecto. Ok, dame un favor, a ver. Entra aquí. Pon la mano encima. ¿Tienes alguna pistola, algo encima? ¿Eh? ¿Cuchillo, nada? Ok, perfecto, ven para aquí. Siéntate aquí. Okay.
I'll take my car and bring it around.
It's fine. I mean, they wanted to block off.
Nice.
So I'm just gonna leave my car there.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm waiting here for traffic.
You put my water in there?
No, just wait a second. All right.
Go ahead and grab him and move over there to that sidewalk. Go right over. We'll move him over here.
Okay.
Okay, so that we can do it.
All right. Levántate. Conmigo. Para acá, vamos a esperar allá, okay? We're good. Just sit here. Good here? All right. Sit here.
Español, English? English? Do you have an ID with you, by any chance? Thank you.
All right, bro, come on. I'm gonna ask you again. You got any weapons on you? Any guns, any knives, anything like that? All right, let's go.
Okay, he has a phone. Just make sure he don't got none in his pockets.
Yeah, I'm gonna put him down real quick. Okay, just put your hands right here. Okay, I'm just gonna. You mind if I just put the phone in the front? You good? All right, thank you. All right, your phone's gonna be right here. I'll just give it to you when we get there. Okay? All right. Get in.
Bring him up to the traffic office.
The traffic office? Gotcha.
Sergeant's gonna meet you up there.
Okay.
All right. So, like I explained to you, you have rights. Everyone has rights. Before I question you about whatever that happened out there on the scene, you gotta understand your rights. Are you under the influence of any alcohol at this moment? Yeah, you gotta
Just say yes or no.
just say yes or no, and then just check on the paper. Okay. Are you under the influence of any narcotics, drugs?
No.
Is no. So were you on the third? Just put no. Okay. All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you? Yes? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to us on what happened earlier today?
I need an attorney first.
Okay.
Where do you live? Because the address you have is like in Cutler Bay, Kendall area.
Yeah, that's where I live.
You live up there? Your mom speak English? No?
You're 18 or something.
18.
18.
And you're still in school?
Homework? Where?
Um,
You don't know?
Does she drive? She does drive?
they drive what?
No, I'm saying, does she drive or?
Oh no, she gets picked up.
Okay.
So she work early in the morning? But you don't know where. See, can you do us a favor?
Yes, sir.
Can you take him downstairs?
Downstairs where?
Look on.
So that you know what's going on. The gentleman that you hit passed away. Okay. You are being charged with hit and run involving death. Okay. This officer here is going to take you downstairs. He's going to book you, and within a few hours you'll be going downtown. All right. All right. You take him.
All right, Lewis. So you understand? Stand up. Okay. You know that. You know what leaving the scene means? No. Okay. So basically, what you're being charged with is you were involved in a crash, in an accident, and you didn't stay on the scene. You left. Okay. If you had stayed on scene, okay, if you stayed there, you would not be going, or you would not be arrested. Okay. When you went and took your driver's exam test, there's a question on there, or a statement on there in regards to driving and reporting traffic crashes. Okay. A little fine print on the back of your driver's license says it's something to that effect as well. Okay. You have to stay on the scene, notify the police, whether it's persons or property. Okay. You can hit a tree, you still got to call. You understand? Okay.
I'll stand up. Put your hand behind your back real quick.
Later, officers arrested Luis, 18, and charged him with leaving the scene of a crash resulting in death. Investigators say the victim suffered severe injuries and later died at a nearby hospital after being struck by a white truck. He was taken into custody and booked into the Turner Guilford Knight Correctional Center on a $7,500 bond. What's your take on situations like this? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more real-world case breakdowns.